storm has left its fingerprints on every jagged stone. Salt still hangs in broken air where the wild wind roamed. Clouds are tearing open now, letting daylight breathe, but the sea remembers everything, it never leaves. You can hear it in the water, low and slow, every crash and echo of what it knows. These waves are telling stories, they don't need a name. They've crossed 1,000 lifetimes just to break again. Trevellas holds them steady as they fall apart. The sea still beats like thunder long after the dark. Foam like silver ghosts rush in, then vanish from the shore. The rocks stand scarred but faithful, they've seen this all before. High above, the drone drifts quiet, watching time unfold. A fragile calm stitched together by the cold. Every scar upon the coastline, every seam was carved by something stronger than a dream. These waves are telling stories, they don't need a name. They've crossed 1,000 lifetimes just to break again. Trevellas holds them steady as they fall apart. The sea still beats like thunder long after the dark. There's peace inside the wreckage if you wait and see. The storm didn't take the beauty, it set it free. What was wild is now honest, what was loud is low. Even broken water learns how to glow. These waves are telling stories, written in the foam, of how the sea survives the night and finds its way back home. Trevellas in the silence under the fading gray. The storm is gone, but the ocean stays. And the rocks still stand, and the tide still breathes after Goretti.